How to resolve common print errors using the Diagnose and Fix tool in HP Smart for Windows and macOS computers. You can troubleshoot many printer issues with the built-in Diagnose and Fix tool in HP Smart. Diagnose and Fix resolves print queue errors, checks if the printer is offline, reconnects it when possible, and resolves print spooler errors on Windows and macOS systems. For Windows systems, Diagnose and Fix also checks for and installs any available driver updates, and connects the printer to the correct port if there is a port mismatch. If you do not have HP Smart on your computer, you can download it from the Microsoft Store for Windows computers or the Mac App Store for macOS computers. Once you have downloaded the app and added your printer, you can use Diagnose and Fix by selecting the wrench icon in the bottom left for Windows computers. For macOS computers, select Printers in the top menu bar, and then select Diagnose and Fix. You can also open the Diagnose and Fix tool if your printer is displaying a printer offline message. To do this, either select the printer offline message and then, on the status page, select Diagnose and Fix. Or, select the Get Support option and, if you have completed the 3 steps listed, select Diagnose and Fix on the Connect Your Printer screen. When the Diagnose and Fix tool opens, select Start. Wait for Diagnose and Fix to complete. This might take a few minutes. Note: do not close HP Smart while the troubleshooter is running. If any issues are found, Diagnose and Fix provides you with instructions on how to resolve the issue. If the issue can't be resolved, go to HP customer support at support.hp.com to search for the specific issue or error message that you are experiencing. To close the app, select Done. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.